Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlink Intuit from Credit Karma. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Credit Karma app, and once you're inside your Credit Karma app, what you need to do, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it here, what you need to do is among the options there you will see an option that says profile. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to your profile page. All you gotta do is scroll down, and then if you find the linked accounts, all you gotta do is simply just select the link accounts, and there you'll find the Intuit account as well, or Intuit as well. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and there you'll find the option that says unlink. Simply tap on that and it will be unlinked. Or if you don't find unlink account, then what you can do is simply tap on this customer member support, and then what you can do is simply talk to the live agent and tell about your problem, and they will provide a detailed instructions on solving your problem. Keep in mind to give them identity details to verify your identity. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.